This is a walkthrough on a problem dealing with limits using trig identities. We see the limit is, as x approaches 0 of sine x divided by sine 2x. And to the right here, we have a list of all the trig identities. I've gone and boxed in the very important ones, let's just say. On all the problems that I've worked on in this section, this is the part where I've been taking this information from. So just so you know. But who knows? You may have to use all of them at some point. So as we look, we know that the denominator is going to be 0, because when I plug in that 0 for x there, sine 0, well, at 0 degrees, we see here, sine is represented as your y, so we see that y is 0. Therefore, we're going to manipulate this trig function here and substitute it with one of the identities that we know, so that we can plug it right back in, do direct substitution, and see if we get a different answer. So let's start looking at this problem here. And let's say we have sine x divided by sine 2x. I directly want to go here to the double angle, okay? And that looks like it would work because I have a sine, 2 sine theta, cosine theta, and the sine theta can cancel out with the sine x in the numerator. So let's rewrite that, and I'm going to rewrite my numerator because I'm not going to use an identity there. But I will use an identity for the denominator, which sine 2x equals 2 sine x cosine x, since we're going to use x since we're dealing in terms of x for now. Okay, so now that we wrote this down, we can see this, all of this is being multiplied, so I can cancel this out. That just becomes 1. So my problem here is rewritten as 1 as my numerator. Then I have 2 times cosine x. Once I get here, I like this on the denominator. I have a cosine x now, which I've gotten rid of the sine x, which was the problem here. I kept getting 0 there with sine. So let's try it now. So now let's do direct substitution as x approaches 0. So when I rewrite this, this is going to be equal to 1 divided by 2 cosine 0. Well, let's go back to the unit circle. Here, cosine is x, and at 0, it is 1. So the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over 2 cosine x is equal to 1 over 2 times 1, which equals 1/2.